This is Jimmy Schmidt, age 8, playing the piano. About the time this was recorded, Jimmy started to change. He slowed down, became less active. He didn't want to play the piano anymore. Something was wrong. Jimmy had a disease. Doctors acted fast, but within months Jimmy was paralyzed, unable to speak, no longer able to play the piano. That was 10 years ago. If Jimmy had been screened for his disease at birth, he could have received treatment and his life might be radically different. Early detection is critical. Today, Jimmy's story is repeating itself all across our country because we don't test every child in every state for the same treatable diseases. This has to end. Be Jimmy's voice. Visit huntershope.org. Our children deserve universal newborn screening. Every child, every time, everywhere.